Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Landbot login issues in 2026. If you're unable to sign in, seeing login errors, or getting stuck on the login page, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable and working properly. Next, refresh the Landbot login page or restart your web browser to clear temporary issues. Now verify that you're entering the correct email address and password for your Landbot account. Next, if you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option and follow the instructions to reset it. Now check your email inbox for the password reset message, and don't forget to look in your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies to remove any corrupted login data. Now try signing in using a different web browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related problems. Next, disable any VPN, proxy, or browser extensions that might interfere with the login process. Now check if the Landbot service is experiencing temporary issues, then wait a few minutes and try again if necessary. Finally, if you're still unable to access your account, contact Landbot support and provide details about the error you're seeing, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Landbot login issues. You should now be able to access your account and continue building your chatbots. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone.